Sound of animals. How does the lion go? Roar, roar, roar. How does the monkey go? Ah, ah, ah. How does the horse go? Neigh, neigh, neigh. How does the cheetah go? Very, very fast. Woo! How does the owl go? Whoop, whoop, whoop. How does the croc go? Snap, snap, snap. How does the bee go? Buzz, buzz, buzz. How does the hippo go? Splashing in the pool. Woohoo! I'm sure you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Hiya kids, it's question time. Which animal zoomed by very fast? Comment below.
Banana song. One banana, two bananas, three bananas more. Four bananas, five bananas, six bananas more. Seven bananas, eight bananas, nine bananas more. 10 yellow bananas! Woo! 11 bananas, 12 bananas, 13 bananas more. 14 bananas, 15 bananas, 16 bananas more. 17 bananas, 18 bananas, 19 bananas more. 20 yellow bananas! Woo! Bananas. Do, 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 do. Hope you liked singing with us. To keep singing with us, hit the subscribe button.
The Color Parking Lot. This is the color parking lot. Match your colors to the spot. Careful not to get your colors wrong, else it'll flip you bong, bong, bong. Red with red, green with green, yellow part in between. Careful not to get your colors wrong, else it'll flip you bong, bong, bong. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. That was awesome! Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.
Here we go round the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, we wash our face, we wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes so early in the morning. Hope you like singing with us. To keep singing with us, hit the subscribe button.
Sleeping bunnies. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us gently wake them with this happy tune. Oh, so still. Are they ill? No! Wake up, bunnies! Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, stop. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come and let us gently wake them with this happy tune. Oh, so still. Are they ill? No! Wake up, bunnies! Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, stop. Wow, that was awesome! Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.
Color jar. Color jar, dip your hands in. What color do you see? Red. Wash your hands quickly, wash your hands. Yeah. Color jar, dip your hands in. What color do you see? Green. Wash your hands quickly, wash your hands. Woo! Color jar, dip your hands in. What color do you see? Blue. Wash your hands quickly, wash your hands. Color jar, dip your hands in. What color do you see? Yellow. Wash your hands quickly, wash your hands. Color jar, dip your hands in. What color do you see? Pink. Wash your hands quickly, wash your hands. Color jar, dip your hands in. What color do you see? Pink. Wash your hands quickly, wash your hands. Color jar. Yeah! Hope you liked singing with us. To keep singing with us, hit the the subscribe button.
ABC song with cookies. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next day morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Come on, let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z, X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next day morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. I'm sure you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
5 little ducks. The duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. La 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 la. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Sad mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. The sad mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Hope you liked singing with us. To keep singing with us, hit the subscribe button.
Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently up the creek. If you see a little mouse, forget to squeak. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Wow, that was awesome! Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.
Learn phonics in school. A is for animal, animal. B is for bucket, bucket. C is for colors, colors. D is for drive, drive. E is for egg, egg. F is for fun, fun. G is for grass, grass. H is for heart, heart. I is for insects, insects. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for long, long. M is for many, many. N is for neck, neck. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rose, rose. S is for sun, sun. T is for toy, toy. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch. X is for bugs, bugs. Y is for yummy, yummy. Z is for zebra, zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I'm sure you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2. The mouse went boo. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 3. The mouse went wee. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 4. Hickory dickory dock. Wow, that was awesome! Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.
Little Bo Peep lost her sheep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, dragging their tails behind them. Little Bo Peep, 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 looking for her sheep, sheep, sheep. Little Bo Peep, 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 looking for her sheep, sheep, sheep. Little Bo Peep fell fast asleep and dreamt she heard them bleating. But when she woke, 'twas all a joke, for they were still a-fleeting. Little Bo Peep, 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 looking for her sheep, sheep, sheep. Little Bo Peep, 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 looking for her sheep, sheep, sheep. Then up she took her little crook and vowed that she would find them. What was her joy to see them there, wagging their tails behind them. Hope you liked singing with us. To keep singing with us, hit the subscribe button.
Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Give it to your daughters, give it to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Take it for elders and for little ones. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. I'm sure you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Learn phonics in an alphabet safari. A is for ant, ant. B is for burger, burger. C is for cake, cake. D is for dive, dive. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hippo, hippo. I is for insects, insects. J is for jungle, jungle. K is for king, king. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rose, rose. S is for sun, sun. T is for toy, toy. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. X is for bugs, bugs. Y is for yummy, yummy. Y is for yummy, yummy. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zebra, zebra. I'm sure you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Hiya kids, it's question time. Who took away the lion's crown? Comment below.